Hi, investor. Do you know you can trade and also invest in gold, oil, gas, and even food commodities on the Lagos Commodities and Futures Exchange right from the comfort of your home? Absolutely. This is very, very possible. And in this episode of the Impact Podcast, I will be diving into why smart investors are rushing to the Lagos Commodities and Futures Exchange. So I want you to stay tuned to the end of this video and do not allow anything to disconnect you from this video. Because if you are a serious investor, Lagos Commodities and Futures Exchange is an opportunity for you to invest your money and you can go to bed. I mean it. Go to bed and go and sleep. Absolutely. Go to bed and do what? Go and sleep. So if you are interested in Nigeria futures trading and also looking to invest in commodities, then you are in the right place, because very shortly I'll be showing you how to go about that. So let's dive into my PC while I show you how to go about it. Now, go to www.lcfe.ng, www.L for Lagos, C for commodities, F for futures, E for exchange, then .ng. When you land on this website, you can see I love the landing page. The landing page says, did you know you can make money while trading agricultural products? So you can trade agricultural commodities. You can also trade solid minerals, that is metal commodities. You can trade even currencies on the Lagos Commodities and Futures Exchange. There's also something I want to call your attention to, because our focus today is how to invest in eco gold. There's what they call eco gold. Learn how to trade and make money with oil and gas products. That is the next slide. Now look at this slide. I don't know, maybe you can see what I'm seeing. Saying, imagine your potential investment growth. Imagine your potential investment growth. And then under that, there's something that is very, very important that I want to call your attention to here. And that is, if you had invested when Eco Gold was listed at 42,500 Naira per gram back in July 2022, today your investment would have grown by over 100%. Your investment would have grown over what? 100%, reaching an impressive of 88,700 per gram. But do you know that the price as at the recording of this video is 95,000 Naira? Okay, now let's go. Look at here. You see where we have market status showing us the price of lithium, sorghum, lead ore, zinc, fluorite, iron ore, and then gold. You can buy gold on this exchange at 143,000 Naira. This is what I want to show you. I'm interested in telling you about Eco Gold. And that is why a lot of smart investors are rushing to Lagos Commodities and Futures Exchange. The current price of Eco Gold that was sold at 42,500 Naira at the launch of the Eco Gold. As at today, Eco Gold is 95,000 Naira. Did you see that? Eco. This is Eco Gold. Now see, look at this. 95,000 Naira. Eco Gold is now 95,000 Naira. And as at 2022, it was launched at how much? 42,500 Naira. So you can imagine that. You can imagine if you had invested and maybe you were able to buy like 5 grams minus 42,500 Naira from 95,000 Naira. And look at the difference. That's over 100%. Over 100%. And you may want to ask, Taiwo, tell me, I want to know how to go about it. How can I buy this from the comfort of my home? And that is the purpose of this video, because I realize that a lot of opportunities are around us. There is always an allocation for every location. But if you don't know, you will just be in the dark. So that is why I am here to help you, so that to let you know the opportunities, the investment opportunities around you, and why smart investors are rushing to Lagos Commodities and Futures Exchange. I know some of you, this is the first time you are hearing about this. Yes, it is. It has been in existence for some times now, and they are even trading electricity. I don't know, maybe you've heard that Lagos State has taken over the Eco electricity. Do you know that? Don't let me say much. Just go to their website. You will see it there. But now let me show you something. Let me show you something on this website. And that is, when you come here, you see under the market watch. Did you see? We have agriculture. All these are the agricultural commodities that they trade on Lagos Commodities and Futures Exchange. Look at. And they will tell you the state, everything that is being traded. Look at. But we are interested in the solid minerals. Now let's click here and you see these are the solid minerals available, but you know they are not displaying the price of all these guys. But let's go down. There's something I want to show you here. Solid minerals, as at this date, which was 12/08/2024, Eco Gold was selling at 88,500 naira. So if you had bought at around that period last year, you'll be making, if you had bought at that 88,500 and now it's selling for 95,500, that is 7,000 naira difference. 7,000 naira difference, or 6,500 naira difference. This is one of the investments that you should invest your money in, instead of parting with your money and then, into some of this Ponzi scheme that you don't know when it's going to crash. Lately, a friend of mine told me of one of these high yield investment scheme, and I was like, I'm not interested. He said, he knows someone that invested 80 million, 10 million. Oh, so I said, seriously? I said, this thing is going to crash very shortly. Very, very soon it's going to crash. So if you have 80 million, 10 million, go and buy Eco Gold. It is backed by Lagos State government. It is backed by Lagos State government. So your money is safe, because this will not be play. This is not a joke. This is real and confirmed. I know you are interested in how do I go about this. Taiwo, tell me more. Tell me more. When you come here, you see their products, agriculture, solid minerals, then oil and gas, currencies. They trade currencies. You can trade currencies, buy and sell. When you go to the top of this page, on the scrolling bar, you see the market status. It will show you if you want to buy gold, if you want to buy dollar, you want to buy euro, you want to buy pounds, whatever you are interested to buy, you will see the price there. But now let's go down and see how you can trade. Trading at LCFE. Read all the requirements here. If you want to sell commodities, this is for sellers. Me, I am an investor. I want to invest. If you are selling commodities, maybe agricultural commodities, all these are the processes. This is where we are going. If you want to buy commodities, this is what you do. These are the processes. Number one, identify a LCFE accredited dealing member firm. That is the meaning of this DMF. You look for the accredited dealing member firm of your choice. You open a client account with them. Number two, DMF will open a CSCS trading account on your behalf. Number three, give a mandate or instruction to your DMF to buy commodities on your behalf at your choosing price. That means you have to be conversant with the price. As at first or second week of this month, Eco Gold was not trading at 95,000 naira per gram. Look at the price as at now. So you can imagine if you had invested 10 million, your investment is safe. Let's continue. So you give a mandate or instruction to your DMF to buy commodities on your behalf at your choosing price, quality, and quantity. Don't forget, there is quality, there is also quantity. And that's why you see here, let me go back and show you. That's why you see here, they will tell you the purity. The purity, of whatever you are buying. You see, for example, the purity of lithium, 4%, 5%, 6%, 7% purity. If you're buying lead oil, 40%, 50%, 60% purity. So if you're buying fluorite, 70% purity, zinc, 30% to 40% purity. So all these things, you need to know them and you need to do your analysis. Maybe in another video, I'm going to show you how to compare prices. But if you just focus on Eco Gold, that is our main focus in this video. Eco Gold, backed by Lagos State government, guaranteed your investment is secured. So now, when you look at that, we're still talking about how to buy any commodities, any of the commodities. So number 2, you deposit the total value of the commodity you want to buy in your broker's trading bank account. Number 4, your broker buys on your behalf from another client through their brokerage on the exchange. So you cannot buy directly from another client. You cannot buy directly. You need to go through your broker. Once the transaction has been concluded, number 5, on the exchange, your money will be moved from your broker's account to the seller's account. So here, number 6, now the seller's commodities now belong to you. The seller's commodity now belongs to you. You can now pick up your commodity at a storage facility or choose to resell on the exchange for profit. So that means you can decide to pick up or wait for some time and allow the price to appreciate to a level and flip it. Are you getting something? You can wait for the price to appreciate. So for some period of time, and although some brokers might charge you for keeping it in their vault. There's what we call vault. So you have to reach out to them. I'm going to show you very shortly how you can reach out, how you can pick DMF or a brokerage firm. So now you can imagine if you had bought gold, Eco Gold, as at when it was 88,000 naira, 88,500 naira, and now that it's selling for 95,000. Now let's do the calculation. Now that Eco Gold is selling for 95,000 per gram, if you had bought at 88,500, this is what you will be making, 6,500 naira per gram. Let's assume you bought this. Let's say you bought like 10 grams times 10. This is it. You'll be making 65,000 naira now. If you had bought 20 grams times 20, you'll be times 2. Times 2. 65,000 naira times 2. This is how much you'll be making by now. 65 times 2, you'll be making 130,000. So you can imagine if you had bought, like, let's say around 10 million naira worth of Eco Gold when it was 88,500 naira. So you do the maths. So this is what I want you to understand. When you do this, you will now understand how to build an investment portfolio using asset portfolio management. You understand? Okay, how do you identify a DMF or a brokerage firm to register with? Go to members. Under members, click on members. At your leisure time, you can go to how to trade. They have blog, read a lot of their weekly bulletin and stuff like that. But now this is where we are going. When you get here, these are the companies incorporated and registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission and has been issued a license to deal in commodities and other securities listed on the exchange. You pick any of these brokerage firm, look at they are listed here. Go pick any one of them. Once you click, for me, I go with this one. I'm not marketing for them anyway. So you go there. Now, when you get to their website, you see you can easily just scroll and see. Even with this brokerage firm, you can buy FGN savings bond. But because this is not an FGN savings bond class, I will skip this. You can invest as low as 5,000 naira in FGN savings bond. So I choose capital asset for demonstration purpose. So now scroll down, you can now come here and click on contact us. Look at their contact. Okay, look at their contact. When you click on their contact, you can then email or call them. Email or do what? Or put a call through to capital assets. I'm not advertising for them anyway. So when you put a call through, although you know Nigerian factor now, it might take time for them to respond or might not even pick your call. But however, put a call through and then send them an email. I think they also have a WhatsApp number. Reach out to them. So by the time you do that, then they will give you all the updates that you need to know about any of the commodities that you want to trade on the Lagos Commodities and Futures Exchange. I hope I've been able to impact you and not confused you. Yes, this is what we do on the Impact Podcast with Taiwo Balogun. So I want you to understand that there are places you can invest your money and go to bed and close your eyes in Nigeria. One of those places is Lagos Commodities and the Futures Exchange, often known as LCFE. It is not just another trading platform. It's a catalyst for change. Make your research, do your due diligence, and you will thank me later. So if you found this video helpful, insightful, I'd like you to give this video a thumbs up and also share it with someone. You never can tell. Don't make this money alone. Share this video with a friend. Be a blessing to someone out there. Let someone refer to you that thank God for this person that shared this video with me. And now I am making money. This is the spirit of collaboration that we have on this platform. So on this note, you may want to know more about where to invest your money in 2025. I'd like you to watch this video and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.